So now let's look at how to put these rhythms together. Alright, so you have 6 basic rhythms when you're dealing with quarter notes and half notes. Again, that's a whole note, gets 4 beats. Those are half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got our quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have an E up there. We're just going to hit the open E string to make things easy. So here we have the 6 basic rhythms. Okay? So here's example 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Here's example 2. 1, 2, 3. Because it's a half note, we don't hit 4. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You tap your foot on 4, but you don't hit the string. Okay? Now let's try example 3. Look at, there's a 2, but that's a half note. There's no beat over it. So we go 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. You could say 2, you just can't hit it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're always going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. But if there's no note there, then you don't hit the beat. Now eventually you're not going to have these numbers underneath as a cheat sheet, okay? So you want to try and memorize what these look like, okay? Okay, this one is a quarter, half, quarter. So you go 1, 2, don't hit 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our first dotted half note. So you can see it's a stem with an empty diamond, and there's a little dot next to it. So that's going to go 1, don't hit 2, don't hit 3, 4. So again, tap your foot on 2 and 3, say 2 and 3, don't hit the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our last example is a quarter note followed by a dotted half note. So that's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 3 and 4 we don't hit. 1, 2. Okay? And those are your 6 basic rhythms that you're going to be using to play chords. Alright? The most simple rhythm is just 4 quarter notes in a row. So that's the first measure of our example of 6 basic rhythms. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Okay, the next one is 2 quarter notes and a half note. Alright, so we hit 1, 2, we hit 3, but we don't hit 4 because a half note's worth 2 beats. You hit it on 3, then it rings during 4. Okay? So we're going to go like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you can see on the page what that looks like. Now on the third measure, we're going to play a half note and 2 quarter notes. Alright? So you're going to hit beat 1, let it ring during beat 2, and then you're going to hit beat 3 and hit beat 4 also. Now it's important you keep moving even on the beats you're not playing. That's why we're moving. That's going to help you keep track of what beat you're on. Okay? So it goes like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The fourth example is the first time we're going to skip a 3, alright? It's a quarter note, half note, then another quarter note. So you hit 1, you hit 2, you let it ring on 3, then you hit 4. So it goes like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we have something called a dotted half note. Alright? So in rhythm notation, that's the diamond shape with the stem, and there's a little dot next to it. When you see that dot, that means that it's worth 3 beats instead of just 2 beats. Okay, so we hit it on beat 1, it rings during beat 2, it also rings during beat 3. Okay, and then we hit it again on beat 4. So look at that on the page. And now here's how we're going to play it. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we stop it. Okay, and then the last one is just kind of reversed of that. It's a quarter note, then a dotted half note. So we're going to count it off. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We don't hit it on the 3 or the 4, we let it ring. So you want to practice moving your foot and playing those 6 basic rhythms, and look at the page, look at how those are. You get it visually, you'll hear it, and that's going to help you internalize those basic rhythms for playing chords. Okay?